Hello everyone, today we are excited to introduce our new products, knob. As you see, now this is machine is the product we introduced today. We insert the screw directly into the mold cavity. This knob uses PP material, as you see. This knob that will be wrapped in plastic. This material ensures the secure and firm assembling. As you see, after surface treatment, this knob looks so pretty and more durable.
If you are looking for a knob, we warmly welcome you to contact us to discuss your requirements and design ideas further.